Today we are in an incredible place in northeastern Thailand. These rock formations are called three-whale rock, or Hin Sam Wan in Thai. The formation is located in the Phu Sing Forest Park, near the border with Laos. They are called that because they look like giant whales emerging from the forest. Come with us to visit this place. The first thing is to buy the ticket and hire the guide. We cannot go up with our own transport. We can buy a hat to get out of the sun or a souvenir before starting the climb. We have already been assigned a driver for a pickup. We can go inside more comfortably and with air conditioning, but I prefer to go in the back to enjoy the environment and be able to record something. We will make a stop before reaching the upper area where there is a viewpoint. And the three whales, this stop is to see a huge lion-shaped rock. But there is not much else to see, so we continue ascending. We arrived at the highest part. Here in this area, our driver and the car will wait for us to finish enjoying the visit to the viewpoint and the three whales. We walk in the direction to the left to see a viewpoint where people can enjoy the views of the neighboring country, Laos, which is on the other side of the Mekong River. Also, for a few coins, we can use binoculars to see the landscape, but the day is very cloudy and it does not look very good. As you can see, we are in the dry season because of the color of the vegetation. Now yes, we are going to start the small walk to the first of the three whale-shaped rocks. You have to know that you can hire a video service with drones that is paid independently at the entrance of the park, if you want a more unforgettable and spectacular experience. The middle rock is called the mother. The central rock is the father, and the small rock that is not visitable is what they call the whale's offspring. These rocks are about 75 million years old and are made of naturally eroded sandstone. The safe zone is marked by a yellow dashed line. Pay attention to the indications for your own safety. If you slip, the consequences can be fatal. From the top, this place is perceived differently. For local people, these rocks are not just geological formations, but silent presences that have accompanied the forest for millions of years. We are already approaching the end. If we turn the view to the left, we have the views of the viewpoint that we had visited before, and to the right, the center whale. I am curious to see from this different angle taken by the drone as the whole is seen from my left. I'm going to retrace my own steps to take the path that has brought us to the first rock, to turn left and take a little path towards the central rock. The national park opens every day from 5 o'clock in the morning to 4:30 in the afternoon. But it is good that you check the schedules and holidays on Google, which I will leave in the description of the video. The sunrise, which in Thailand is normally around 6 o'clock in the morning, must be spectacular here. This is the reason why it opens at 5 in the morning. To give you an idea, the sun rises on the left side of the three rock formations. From the top, this place is perceived differently. The three whales represent more than a shape. They speak of union, protection, and continuity. Now we return to the starting point to take our transport. But before going down to the base camp, the day will make 3 more stops in specific places where there are interesting rock formations with good views, where people usually take pictures. This elephant-shaped rock is one of the stops. In this other place, between 2 huge rocky massifs, the light opens between the two, with stunning views, beautiful contrasts are generated, and it is a favorable place to take pictures. Our driver and guide is very friendly and is in charge of taking pictures and giving advice based on his experience walking people around this place. We have one last stop before arriving at the base camp and picking up our car. It is a place that is easily reached by walking, and you climb some stairs to get to a viewpoint, which is a rock formation where in the rainy season, small puddles are generated in the holes of the rock, and where there are some views. We are leaving now. I hope you have enjoyed the content of the video and encourage yourself to come to the northwest of the country to enjoy the national parks in the area. This place, as well as the Phu Lang Ka National Park, which is very close to here, are one of those unexplored and little-known places for mass tourism that comes to Thailand, but that hide beauty and tranquility for those who want to get to know the country better. Subscribe to our channel and visit our website for more details.